Cambodia's coastal environments are of great regional significance, both in ecological and economic terms. They constitute the only site in continental Southeast Asia that is suitable for the establishment of coastal biosphere reserves. Peam Krosaup Wildlife Sanctuary in Koh Kong province in the southwest of Cambodia is a forested area that is also home to 5 villages. By the year 2000, the area had been heavily exploited, including the depletion of large areas of mangrove forests. Evidence of overharvesting was found on several types of crabs. The problem is that resources have been seriously depleted with no attention to the sustainability of the resources. In order to conserve and develop its forests, wetlands and coastal resources, habitats of sensitive and fragile species need to be protected and conserved by using the help of institutional building and the development of community conservation areas. The project was implemented by Federation of Community Coastal Natural Resources Management over a period of 18 months. The main objective of the project is to increase mangrove forest coverage for biodiversity conservation. The project also concentrated on improving livelihoods of the poorest, including women-headed households. The project provided support to community-based activities in Peam Krosaup Wildlife Sanctuary by planting mangrove trees on over 40 hectares of degraded land. Participatory throughout, the project provided more options for community-based alternative livelihoods, including women's savings groups and self-help groups, so that local people can open their own shops in the village instead of fishing unsustainably. By planting mangrove trees on over 40 hectares of degraded land, sustainable management and use of the ecosystem was ensured. Fishing can take place sustainably, and the catch was raised to between 20% and 40% higher than before. The phrase UNDP GEF SGP Cambodia inspired community members. The influence of the brand gives people a sense of respect for the protected area, and they are discouraged from logging and destroying the signs. The signs are put up by the community to protect the areas of mango trees and seagrass labelled with the UNDP GEF SGB Cambodia brand. Cement pools were developed for seagrass protection. These stop boats used by fishermen from damaging the seagrass. Alongside this, community members put artificial fish shelters inside the seagrass conservation areas. By doing this, the project conserved 20 hectares of seagrass beds and further contributed to a higher and more sustainable fish catch. All the materials used were sourced from the villages. Over a 1-year period, there was a healthy growth in mangrove trees due to the planting activities and a reduction in illegal hunting, logging and fishing. 500 families were direct beneficiaries of the mangrove planting activities, and people in the community were able to gain a hands-on knowledge of natural resource management. More than 2,500 hectares of mangrove are now being conserved by the community. In these, biodiversity has been protected, which has national and international benefits. The fish catch has increased by up to 50% for local people. Even after the project, the area of protected seagrass is increasing. 4 patrol groups have been established by the community to discourage illegal fishing and other unsustainable behaviour. Around 600 poor fishermen and women have better food security during the rainy season. 70% of local villagers have knowledge of the importance of sustainable natural resource management, and illegal fishing has been reduced by 80%. The project oversaw an increase in various aquatic animal species, including the common bottlenose dolphin, giant mud crab, green tiger prawn, green turtle, western king prawn, leatherback turtle, and pan-tropical spotted dolphin.